Hello guys, I am Vinayak from NiftyNayak.com. By seeing the thumbnail and the title, I think you guys know what I'll be talking in this video. So last month, that is for the month of January, I had suggested a trade in HDFC. So the trade worked perfectly well and we were able to make around 5% of the capital deployed as profit. So if you want to check that video, you can check that here, and also it is given in the description. So before I proceed, I want you all to like and subscribe to my channel so that you can learn more about trading and investment. So this month I am bullish on Kotak Mahindra Bank. So before I tell you why I am bullish on Kotak Mahindra Bank, let us see the charts and analyze some things. So I hope you guys can see the screen. So here I have opened Nifty chart. So here you can see that Nifty is we're going sideways in and around 18,000. So from 18,000 it goes to 18,200, then again it goes back to 17,900, 800, and it's in a very tight range when it is around 18,000. So this is a sign that market is consolidating and now markets will go up. Okay, I am not expecting markets to fall. Yes, there is fear of recession, inflation and other things, but see, if there was anything that was wrong in the economy, that would have reflected in the market by now. Okay, see, if you see during 2020 February, market was around 12,000, and within 15-20 days when there was a COVID outbreak, markets fell drastically. Okay, and now you know the fear of inflation and recession is there for more than 2-3 months now. Okay, and if anything would have happened by now, it should have happened. Okay, yes, there are a lot of companies which are firing people, but I think market has factored in most of the things and there won't be any panic selling which will happen in the market. Okay, so I am expecting markets to go up from here. And if you are following my blog, I have clearly told that for this month Nifty will be around 18,000. I won't be surprised even if Nifty closes above 18,000. So we have another 3 more days for this month expiry, and after that we will be going to February. Okay, so this is about Nifty. Now let us check Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty you can see that even here from this point Bank Nifty fell and it shot up, again it fell. It could not even break the low what it made here. Okay, so let me just, so it could not even break this point. So here you can see it's still above that. So for now in Bank Nifty, this low will be a very strong support, and I am expecting Bank Nifty to go higher from here, and if I am not wrong, it may even cross and break this resistance. If not, it may even at least go close to that resistance. So whenever you are taking position in stocks, you have to first keep an eye on index. Okay, because the chances of index and its underlying stocks going in other direction is very less. If Nifty is going up, if Bank Nifty is going up, then obviously the constituents of that will go higher, unless there is some news or anything associated with the stock. Okay, and yes, as you all know now, in Nifty most of the weightage comes from Reliance and HDFC, and HDFC has a very good weightage in Bank Nifty. So for this month I saw good setup in Kotak Mahindra Bank, because of which I will be taking the trade in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let us go and see Kotak Mahindra Bank. Let me just open Kotak Mahindra Bank chart. Yeah. So this is the picture of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and as you all know, I work on support and resistances most of the time. So here you can see that Kotak Mahindra Bank shot up from this level. It went here, from here it came here, again it went here, and from there again it has come here. So there is a double top which is done, and if you see, there is also a double bottom which is being done. Okay, So now this is a break down area for Kotak Mahindra Bank. And if you see the longer picture of Kotak Mahindra Bank, let me just delete this and yeah, 1 second. Yeah. So here you can see that these support and resistances have been support and resistances in a longer picture as well. So here you can see this is support and resistances. This is the resistance. Here it has acted as a resistance. Here it has acted as a resistance. Here it has acted as support. Here it has acted as support. Similarly, these points as well. So here it has acted as support, 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 okay, support, support. So you can see that these 2 points are very important and they act as a strong support and resistances. So now there is a double top and double bottom formation which has happened on Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Kotak Mahindra Bank result came today, okay, and the result has been fantastic. So it has beaten all the street estimates. This is one of the reasons why I did not take the trade in the last week. See, whenever results come out, sometimes the stocks will behave crazily, okay, sometimes it can even go up 10-20% as well. So I didn't want to take any risk. So if there is any event, as much as possible, I try to stay away from that. Yes, in the next month we have another major event which is coming up, which is budget. But if there is any good news or bad news in the budget, that will impact across the sector. Okay, so the chances of it impacting only Kotak Bank will be very less. Okay, so let me just delete all this. Yeah. So as I told you, there is a double top and double bottom which has been formed. Okay, so now I am expecting Kotak Bank to go higher from here. So I don't think this will be broken and it may not go downside. So I am expecting it to go up from here, and at the same time I am not expecting this to be broken as well. So it may for the next month it may go somewhere like this, and it may close within these two areas. Okay, so keeping this as my view, I am taking a bullish trade on Kotak Mahindra Bank. So let me just show you the trade what I will be taking. Yeah. So this is the trade what I will be taking in Kotak Mahindra Bank. So I will be going long on futures and I will be selling one at the money call. So as I told you, Kotak Mahindra Bank came out with its number, and tomorrow, that is on Monday, there can be a huge gap up. So depending on that, we'll have to take sell the call which is at the money. Okay, so this will be the at the money call which I will be selling. And then as I told you, this point which is around 1960, 1970. Okay, so I am not expecting it to break that as well. So I will be selling 3 lot of that call, and I will be buying 1 lot of put in case if Kotak Mahindra Bank falls. So the capital required for this will be approximately 3 to 4 lakhs. Okay, and for the by the end of the month, if everything works in your favor, if it stays in this range, you will be making around 15,000. Okay, so for 4 lakh capital, if you are making around 15-16,000, that turns out to be 3 to 4%. Okay, which I feel is a wonderful return on your capital. So we have another 3 days for this expiry to complete, and after that we have another 4 weeks for the next expiry. Yes, there is another big event which is the budget. But if you see India VIX is also falling. Now it is around 13 to 14. Okay, so people are not expecting some huge volatility for the budget. Okay, so markets may not crash significantly. I hope you guys like the video. Do like and subscribe to learn more about trading and investment. Thank you guys.